Hey y'all, do you know where we're at? Slaying the dragon again. Hopefully we don't end up doing it in the rain. It's already been spitting water on me. That was nice of both of them to pull off. We will not be doing a spirited run through the gap today. So far I have seen wet roads, and I am on a Honda VFR Deluxe. But at least I'm not on a Harley, so life could be a lot worse. Maybe they'll use the overlook and check it out. I mean, if you're going to slay the dragon, you got to go to the overlook, right? Right? Let's see. He does have his Milwaukee gardening gloves on, so good on him for wearing gloves. Nope, not going to use the pull-off. Not going to let me by. They're from Kentucky, so they probably don't know what pull-offs are for. You know, if you can't do the speed limit, why not use the pull-off and let the minivans by? There's another pull-off they could have used. Here's another pull-off they could use. That looks like a cop. I forgot, this is a Wednesday. This must be their chase vehicle from Kentucky. This road's bad enough at 30-mile-an-hour speed limit. Oh, all these clowns are together from Kentucky. That's why. They all have the same gay little tag on the back of their LGBTQ vest. This guy's slaying it at 20 miles an hour. They must be from the part of Kentucky where no one teaches you how to ride a motorcycle. That is a solid KA band coming off that Honda. That is not cool. That is not cool. Why Honda has to use K and KA band for their crash protection is beyond me. How do you do that? How do you put your Harley in a ditch like that?